Section 8.6, we're going to use practice data set number 3. We're going to go to Analyze, Non-Parametric, Related Samples. Here under Fields, we're going to move the 3 variables that represent anxiety at different times over to test fields. Under Settings, we are going to customize the test and select a Friedman's two-way ANOVA by ranks for K-samples test. When we run it, here is our output. In this case, we're going to reject the null hypothesis. They are not equal. And note that it gives sections on significance as well as several different plots.